Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize image without changing aspect ratio in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and we can see we open a new project. Now I am insert a image. Go to the file menu, select this open and place option. Then choose image from our file. Now I am select the image and click open. Now I am select the image layer, then press Ctrl T on our keyboard. Now we can see here the height and width and here the aspect ratio. You want to keep this, otherwise you want to remove this, select this. Now we can see we keep this, then change the size. Now I make the size only 15, then press enter. We can see we change the image size without change the aspect ratio easily. You can change the size another way. Drag on your mouse or stretching the image to changing the size. Now we can see we resize the image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.